Planet Earth, 7.3 billion people, all with the same needs. No matter who you are or where in the world you live, there are things we all have in common. We all need food, water, clothing and shelter, and wherever you go, you have to pay for it. Humanity's number one common denominator is money. Money creates a sense of security, and it shows us a way to accomplish our dreams, and therefore most of us end up spending half a lifetime chasing money to pay bills, make a living, and meet our needs. Money not only helps us accomplish our dreams, it is also an instrument of destruction and is often associated with greed, lies, and criminality. Money is both a champion of good and evil, and to many it still remains a mystery. It's a fact that regular currencies today are not backed up by anything but our own beliefs, and central banks globally are holding our future in their hands with a tight grip. Money means power, and this information can truly empower you if you are willing to be open-minded and learn the truth. The financial crisis of 2008 almost brought the world's financial system to its knees. Central bankers and other regulators bear responsibility for mishandling the crisis. Many people and companies were bankrupted overnight, but at the same time great opportunities were born. There are always two sides of a coin, and after centuries of economical challenges, we are about to discover that there are better ways. Out of the crisis, 2008 grew one of the greatest financial opportunities ever, and it challenged the whole monetary system in a heartbeat. It was created and born out of years of frustration, distress, and upheaval with the conventional banking and monetary systems. Cryptocurrency became a fact. The Bitcoin blockchain was created in 2008, and despite criticism from financial regulators, institutions, governments, and media, it has enjoyed tremendous worldwide acceptance, with many newly created currencies increasing in value at a rapid pace, especially Bitcoin. Between 2009 and 2013 alone, the value of a single coin went from 10 US dollar cents to over 1100 US dollars, with people who had invested in Bitcoin becoming multi-millionaires in a very short period of time. With round-the-clock coverage and its usability around the world, it's now probably one of the most discussed economical successes in financial history. One example was a young Norwegian man who was recently mentioned in the news.
For Newsy, I'm Logan Tittle. It's always nice to watch an investment grow, but for one man in Norway, it came as a great surprise. According to a Norwegian news outlet, Christopher Koch threw in roughly $26 on a Bitcoin investment back in 2009. Today, it's worth $850,000.
It was an expensive lesson for anyone who was introduced to Bitcoin at an early stage, but who turned it down. Cryptocurrency allows everyone in the world to be their own bank, free from taxes and banking fees. It is built on maths, technology, code and computer software, with a shared ledger that anyone can access through the internet. But how do we know it can be trusted? Traditionally, we are programmed to rely on trusted third parties like banks, credit card companies, and remedy services, as they keep track of the money being transferred from one to another and for which we pay exorbitant charges. We are used to paying big money for something that could be free of charge. Most of us trust banks unquestioningly, and we think of them as solid, honest, and reliable institutions. But what if there was a way of replacing those high-charging middlemen with a cheaper, safer, and faster option? While many people associate cryptocurrency with anonymous black market trading, it is actually far more transparent than you may realize. Just think about it. Today, you can easily copy and download music and movies online, and cryptocurrency is no different. It too is digital, just like music and movies on the internet. But can you trust that your digital money will not be downloaded as easily as your favorite songs? How can a digital currency retain its value and not be copied online? The interesting thing is that cryptocurrency is not a file on the computer. It is rather an entry in the public distributed database called the blockchain. So listen closely, as this is key to understanding cryptocurrency. Let's compare it to today's banks. They keep ledger of each transaction with a plus and a minus in databases. With cryptocurrency, bank accounts are replaced with an e-wallet, containing the keys to your section of the ledger. Only you alone can control it. The ledger of a cryptocurrency is the blockchain. The blockchain is the ledger of a cryptocurrency and keeps a record of every coin and every transaction ever made, and it will always balance, since the amount of coins stays the same as no coin will ever leave the system. When one coin is sent somewhere, what is really being sent is a control of the database with a code that is a unique key for that specific transaction. As transactions are made, the record of each are constantly synchronized across the globe. Each user in the entire network has an identical copy. By making the blockchain public, this allows it to be totally decentralized, and therefore it cannot be controlled by any individual. There is no single point of failure. In order to break into the blockchain, hackers would have to successfully target thousands of computers across multiple geographic locations, all at the same time. It may not be impossible, but it's much more difficult and has a greater security than the regularly targeted present bank system. This new, innovative approach to value transfer has the potential to replace banks and bankers worldwide. Many people are happy with the system we have today, simply because they either don't understand it, are unaware of the alternative, or because they simply have not grasped the huge sums of money charged in fees on a daily basis by the current banking system. Cryptocurrency has a totally opposite approach to the banking system today, as it's completely transparent. No one can change either the amount of coins of the mathematical rules dictating the behavior of the currency once mining has started. Cryptocurrency is therefore impossible to inflate, as there's a finite amount of coins available. Cryptocurrency truly holds the potential to make our world more fair. Today, billions of people are living without a bank account, yet many of them own a smartphone. And it's the smartphone that provides this access to a global personal banking system through the technology of cryptocurrency, thus banking for everyone. It is widely believed that cryptocurrency is to banking what the internet was to telephony. The most exciting thing about it is yet to come, as the incredible progress we've witnessed so far is only just the beginning. While Bitcoin was a tremendous breakthrough, helping to bring cryptocurrency to the attention of the masses, the future success of crypto depends on pioneers to improve, simplify, and add features to a solid technology base. New currencies were developed, and awareness of the new alternative economic system continues to grow rapidly, opening doors for a much safer, more powerful, practical, and user-friendly cryptocurrency experience. After many years of investment, research and development, GLAM finally opened its doors for private pre-sale in September 2018. With over 10,000 participants joining within the first month, it is already proving to be one of the fastest growing opportunities in today's market. So what is the key of this tremendous success? GLAM is not just another cryptocurrency. Offering 250 trillion GLAM tokens to the market, it has become the world's largest cryptonized luxury ecosystem that keys into various global trends. The growth of computing power, accessibility of goods and services, the rise of e-commerce, the thriving luxury goods market, new peer-to-peer payment methods, disintermediation, and last but not least, quicker, cheaper, and more secure transacting through the blockchain technology. By offering double chain-based escrow services, an attractive referral program, an MT4, a face-to-face exchange, as well as its own wallet system, GLAMjet sets the new crypto industry standard, offering an all-in-one solution that provides security and transparency to all participants. No matter who you are or where in the world you live, if you've missed out on the cryptocurrency success so far, then today is your chance to get involved in one of the biggest financial shifts in the history of mankind. If you are looking for a forward-looking mechanism to finance your new house, your new car, your kids' education, or even your pension plan, GLAMjet offers you an entry into the revolutionary world of cryptocurrency. And remember, it's no longer a question of if cryptocurrency will have an impact on our future economy. The question you should ask yourself is, am I ready for this new economical change?